Yeah. Now quit. Do your work.
B. Is it B?
Mm-mm.
D.
Yep.
D. Ow. Down. D. Ow. Down.
Good.
Ow. House. Ow. House.
Very good.
Ow. Frown. What's a frown?
A sad face.
That's not sad.
Yeah. A frown is when you do this. That's a frown.
That's just funny when you do that. That's funny when I see you do that.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, he's kind of making a mad face, isn't he?
Yeah. Kind of. Look kind of eggs I made.
I see it. Keep going. Keep going.
Put out the pound. What's a pound?
Look at the pictures and see if you can figure it out.
Pound. Pound. Is that?
What? No. What's he doing?
That boy?
No, this one. What's he doing?
Pounding.
He's, well, okay then. He's pounding. Write it down.